Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to save a Microsoft Word document. Very basic topic, very straightforward, no advanced wording here. Everything going to be basic, everything going to be easy for you to follow and understand. The version that I'm going to be using today is Microsoft Word 2016. If you have an older version like 2013 or a newer version like 2019, not to worry, they are very similar to one another. What I did was, instead of me showing you how to save a Word document, I took some pictures of Microsoft Word and I highlighted the most important features that you need to know in order for you to understand how to save a Word document. So like I said, this tutorial, this video is for those out there that still have some issues or don't know how to save a Word document. This is nothing difficult about it. This is very straightforward, very basic, and I made this video just for you. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and please leave your comment below, and thank you for watching. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you for watching.